Hello, my name is Rich Rose. I'm the Vice President of Customer Advocacy at Aptare, and I'm joined today by Graham Kelly, our Vice President of Engineering and Services, to talk a bit about how to reduce risk and optimize storage within your on-prem and hybrid cloud environment. Some of our console's many capabilities have evolved into what we like to call easy buttons. The easy buttons provide a lot of useful information that can help mitigate risk as well as optimize storage. For now, let's take a moment to focus on risk mitigation. Nobody wants an outage. When developing the easy buttons, we drew upon years of input from our customers. We'd often ask them about what risks that they were facing in their storage environments. By combining what we knew about typical problem areas along with the input that we got from our customers, we were able to identify many potential areas of risk, such as failed backups spanning multiple days or hosts that have had no backups at all. On the storage side, LUNs with high latency or slow response times, thin pools that are oversubscribed and will run out of capacity in the next 30 days, those types of scenarios. After we identified these areas of potential risk, we combine them into a single dashboard, which we refer to as a solution pack. This solution pack provides a single unified pane of glass that shows every area of risk within your enterprise, both on-prem and cloud. It does this by constantly monitoring your environment and tracking down anything that could even potentially put your data at risk. Then it displays it in a simple, straightforward way. Right off the bat, you can see LUNs with more read writes than usual and LUNs that have high latency. A simple click will show you the hosts that are actually causing the I/O and the applications that are being affected. Maybe you have hosts that are taking a lot longer than usual to do their backups. Maybe you have some hosts that have had no backups at all. The solution pack shows all of this with just a few simple clicks. In addition to displaying all this information in real time, the solution pack tracks this information historically. This allows you to go back to see how and where previous risks have occurred and how they were resolved. So you can actually see how improvements have been made over time. Most risks are caused by misconfigurations or are inherent in the organization's behavior. So in time, you may see some of these risk areas returning. That's where the tracking feature becomes super useful because they allow you to find and apply previous solutions and measure your success against various objectives. Right here's another example. You can see we have a guest whose storage is being used at a very high rate. Using what we know from the trending features, we can see the actual date when this VM will run out of capacity. This will give you time to fix the problem before it happens. Again, nobody wants an outage. All right, so we talked about how risk can be reduced through the easy buttons, but what about storage optimization? Again, we've been able to work with our customers to discover where additional storage can commonly be found and integrate this insight into the solution pack. So as you can see here, we can pretty easily uncover unallocated or even totally unused LUNs. On the backup side, there may be hosts with long-term retention periods that are actually just test boxes or non-prod servers that are taking up a lot of space on the data domains or on tape. By revealing these hosts, we can quickly reclaim a lot of extra space. We can also find reclaimable storage in the VM environment, so LUNs that are provisioned to VM ESX servers that are no longer used or orphaned can be put back into production. Over here you can see VMs that are powered off, but they're still consuming disk space. This applies in both on-prem and cloud environments. So within the cloud environment, like AWS and Azure, you might see orphaned or aged snapshots or orphaned volumes or unused instances, all of which can be reclaimed. The storage optimization function allows you to search through all of these areas and more to find reclaimable assets so you can use them and use basically what you have more efficiently. Again, all of this is tracked over time so you can see where progress has been made and draw from previous solutions. If you'd like to hear more about our easy buttons, solution packs, data reclamation, or risk reduction, please visit us at aptare.com. We'd be happy to set up a demo for you and your team and discuss how all of this will work for you. Thank you.